A roof is one of the most important parts of the home. It not only protects you and your family from the elements, it also preserves the value of your home and everything in it.
A roof is very important to your home. Not only is it protecting your home, so when a storm comes, you're not occurring leaks or damages to the interior of your property. It's also a third the view of your home, so it's aesthetically pleasing, giving you the curb appeal and also the security that it's installed correctly. I think it's very important to educate a customer. They need to be involved in the decision process. Do they want an aesthetically pleasing roof? Do they currently have leaks? What colors do they want? Are they interested in ventilation? What type of warranty do they want? So when we sit with customers, we educate them not only on all those areas, but the exact components of a roof so that they understand the quality and they have choices in quality that they're going to get. Because after all, they're concerned and they want the biggest bang for their buck. And the only way to do that is to educate the homeowners on how you're installing it and the products that you're using.
Ideal Roofing installs long-lasting roofing systems all over the Houston area. Whether you're looking for an entirely new roof or minor repairs, Ideal Roofing is there for you.
We pride ourselves at Ideal Roofing in offering not only roof maintenance for those homeowners that sometimes are unaware that their roof needs to be maintained, but we also have drone flights that can examine the roof that has specialized software for the industry. It detects imperfections in your roof and digitally circles them and prints out a report with all the pictures of all the facets of your roof. So whether you're buying or selling a home or simply an insurance claim that you need help with. A roof warranty is very important for the homeowners to understand. Within one warranty that GAF is offering, whether it's their silver or gold, they have two types of coverages. You have the product coverage, which means if something were to fail product-wise, the manufacturer is going to replace those materials that were defective. The other coverage is for workmanship. So if you experience a leak or something was installed either upside down or sideways or got loose or whatever the case may be, then that's your workmanship coverage. And both of those are covered under one umbrella with either a silver or gold pledge warranty.
Not all roofs are the same. From the materials to the contractor, partnering with a reputable company is the best way to repair or replace your roof.
It's important to partner with a good supplier. We partnered with Roofing Supply Inc. here locally. It's one of the first effects that a homeowner sees is that the materials being delivered neatly and not in their way so they can still access their home. It's important to use a full roofing system. That's why Ideal Roofing has partnered with GAF to provide a full roofing system with one manufacturer. That way, it's all under the same warranty.
GAF is the largest roofing and waterproofing manufacturer in North America, and Ideal Roofing was one of the first roofing contractors to earn the Master Lead status with us. Since then, they've won consecutive Triple Excellence Awards since 2007 and consecutive President's Club Awards since 2013.
Ideal Roofing is your one-stop shop for anything related to your home's exterior.
Ideal Roofing does roofing, siding, windows, and gutters. Quite often, homeowners want more than just a roof done, so Ideal Roofing is a one-stop shop for homeowners.
If you are interested in a brand new roofing system, visit their website at idealroofingservices.com and designingspaces.tv.